it for the love, we not do it for the life. We do it for the love, we not do it for the life. We make them know success don't come overnight, and them you know a substance survive. We do it for the love, we not do it for the life. Everybody come, enough of them I love likes, that don't right. Sit down on a post and a tweet all night. Sit down on social media hype. Go on like say them they ask you the advice. And we never book them up on no flight. And we never see them a live not whole life. You miss a man and you have so much likes. Ooh, I'm all still a lead by iTunes. Simply mean we not ready, yeah. We need to put the music first, that's all. While we there on a war and a hype. Work, that's all. Cause when you hear me, yes, last I no. And then me a tune ya when me a ride no. And every show when me headline no. I know we not do it for the likes. So we tell them we do it for the love. We not do it for the light. Do it for the love. Da 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 da. Do it for the love. We not do it for the light. Do it for the love. We not do it for the light. We never tell you to bust a shot and quench them. Instead we tell them you was a liar then yank. Cause we do it for the love. We not do it for the light. Do it for the love. I mean say I don't thing. Mandeville town. A short boss thing. You don't know what's the way.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, in true Rising Stars fashion, they saved the best for the last. That was the most believable performance. Face on, drop the key, and you just pick it up and you run with it. That's really, really, really very good. Very good performance.
Conroy.
Yo, I trust that the voters go out there and do it for the love and vote for you all of this week. It was really, really good. The best performance for the night. The real right energy, a good close to reggae dance all night.
Alaine.
Short boss, what color is your hair? Is that pink? Our
Red.
Red here, short boss. You're not short and nothing. You are so good. And such a good song. Dance hall music is so powerful. I want to scream that from the top of my lungs. It moves the whole world and we have to hold on to it so much more. Celebrate it. You do it for the love, the like, the vote them. Everybody vote for him because you deserve it. Best performance of the night.
Oh, thanks, judges. Show Short Boss you not only like him, you love him. Text the word vote to 444-5509 or call 444-5509. Thanks, Short Boss. Thank you.